siyaplana kodwa uNkulunkulu uyadecide. Ngathola ipromotion emsebenzini. Hi guys, I hope you're safe. Yo, indlela engikhathele kakhulu. Ngiphume emsebenzini. Ngishayise ngo2:30. No, ngishayise ngo2. Why is 2:30? Khani ngifika manje ngo2:30. So yeah. Ngidecide ukuqala vlog. Angazi ukuthi izongiphelela i-vlog ethi. Yeah. So I'm searching my mind. So I'm in the gym manje and ngifuna ukuya e-disc camp. Yeah, ngifuna ukuya e-disc camp. Ngiyathandaza kube i-weekly vlog.
I'm past 5 months of taller, very much as a past 5.
Hi guys, welcome back. Foods. Yo, lezi zinto lezi angiyisebenzisi and manje. Okay, so guys, ngiyazi ukuthi ngiyanikoloda ukuthi why benyamalele isikhathi eside kanje. Ngizonibuyisela back. I-channel yami ngiqale ngoSeptember. Ngiyakhumbula bengiku leave emsebenzini and i-content yonke into bengiyiplane kahle. So ke niyazi lento ukuthi siyaplana kodwa uNkulunkulu uyadecide. Ngathola ipromotion emsebenzini. So bese kumele ngithukuphoza kancane into enze content and ngifocus kulento engiphi imali okulento engiphilisayo. But bengasi ukuthi ngiyayekela ngoba kune reason why bengiqala i-YouTube channel. And isikole and then bese nginezikole ezi2 September, October, November. Bese nginezikole ezi2 plus umsebenzi lo wami i-retail guys iya demanda ngisho kanjalo. Kunzima ungafundi uwes mawufunda ukusebenza e-retail because nje isikhathi sokuphumula awubi naso. Mawufika endlini kumele ufunde and benibona last year khona la kune video engiyipost ukuthi u2 AM angakalali and bekumele ngivuke ngo8 o'clock kumele ngiye bekune presentation yayo lento yasemsebenzini engiyenza. So and then isikhathi content lapho bese ngekho kahle plus ngisasemusha kwi-position and kumele ngiyimisele. So yeah, ngizitshene mina ukuthi ngithathe i-break. Azange ngantshela nina ukuthi ngithathe i-break kwi-YouTube bengazi ukuthi ngizobuya kahle this year and bengayifuni into yokuthi ngiqale i-channel manje and then sengithi ngithathe i-break futhi akwenzi sense. So December bekunzima ngale ndlela. Bekunzima ngale ndlela. Kunzima ukusebenza e-retail. And bengistrugglisha ukuthi ngi-create content kuyo yonke leso siphithiphithi sempilo yami. Plus enye into engenze ngathi kuma ucreate content ukuthi ngihlala kwi-one room and kunzima ucreate content kwi-one room. Ngifila ngathi alama angle la ufuna ukuba nawo awukhona ukuba nawo cause i-room iyakalela, i-camera nayi la. So nje ayiphumi ngale ndlela engingathanda ukuthi mhlawumbe nani niyibone ngakhona, but ngizoqhubeka ngi-create sithemba uNkulunkulu uzokushintsha lokho soon. Ngizoqhubeka ngi-create and yes ngiyaku-enjoya shem ukuyenza i-content lana eroomini ngoba kune-reason why ngiqale ngisasela eroomini. Bengafuni ukuthi bengafuni ukuthi ngivele ngiqale mhlawumbe sengikuphi. Ngifuna lento leyo ukuthi ngibuyele back ukuthi okay kambe ngibuya la ngike ngahlala or ngike ngaphila so yeah ngibuyile guys. This year izinto zizoshintsha sithembe ngoba ngishiwo ngaseqaleni ukuthi siyaplela kodwa uNkulunkulu uyadecide ukuthi kwenzakalani. This side, hi guys, there is Sontweni.
Okay guys, i-part 2 ye-vlog le bese ngi-uploadile i-video yaba ne-copyright. Le part le ila bengirecorda khona and bekudlala music kwi-background. Besibuye esontweni and besisheshe saphuma ngoba uphila bese kalambile. So la bese sizothenga amakoti. Bengisho ukuthi sizothenga amakoti.
Oh, okay. Bingeleli vlog yami phela.
my stomach, butterflies in my chest, heartbeat like a bird that's humming. Trust your words cause you know me best. Let's take a walk down a brick road, click your heels and you'll be there. I want you, do you want me to? Once you hear the rhythm playing, promise you won't be complaining. I'll be here for it if it's for you. Once my body gets to swaying. Promise you won't be complaining, and I'll be saying, yeah. Can I dance for you? Would that be cool? Can I dance for you? Would that be cool? Yeah. Beautiful girls are common, funny girls are real sweet. I don't say these words often, loving you has left me weak. But let's take a walk down a brick road, click your heels and we'll be there. I want you, do you want me to? Once you hear the rhythm playing, promise you won't be complaining. I'll be here for if it's for you.
Ngizoyivala lana le vlog. Into engisalele manje ukuthi ngiplane iviki lami, umsebenzi, i-content plus i-budget, and yeah, ngizokwenza lokho nani, but yeah. And then ubhuti lo kumele afunde. Bathini phela? Thank you so much guys if ubuke kwaze wafika kule part lena. Please don't forget to subscribe if usengaka subscribe, like, comment and share the video.
In the crowd, in the club, at the bar, yo, what's up? I saw you cross the room, yeah, glowing in the moonlight. I don't know where you've been, but I'm glad that you're here. Gonna take you by the hand and lead you to the dance floor. Girl, it's our time, just you and I. Don't run, don't hide, no, I'll do it right. We got all night. I'll take you so high. Yeah. Baby, let me love you. Let me love you. Baby, let me love you. Love you. Baby, you're my muse. I wanna see you move. Baby, let me love you. Love you. Love you, yeah. Love you, yeah. Love you, yeah. Come on, girl. Yeah, I've loved you so long. Gave my heart, gave my soul. We shared our hopes and dreams, yeah. You were my everything, and I don't have to change. We can make it through the rain. I wanna feel you close. Tonight I'm letting go, 'cause girl, it's our time, just you and I. Don't run, don't hide, no, I'll do it right. We got all night. I'll take you so high. Baby, let me love you. Let me love you. Baby, let me love you. Love you. Baby, you're my muse. I wanna see you